Hi friends, very good afternoon. Welcome to Amul Page Live. मैं हूँ आशा सोमनाथ. I'm back with another delicious wonderful recipe. मैं आज बनाऊंगी अमूल मिल्क मेड. I'm using अमूल मिल्क मेड और कंडेंस्ड मिल्क. I am doing एक डिफरेंट तरीका का खीर रेसिपी. And first of all, I want to thank Amul team for giving me an opportunity to take part in their page, and I am very happy to be a part of Amul. So let us start the recipe and let us see what all the ingredients we need for condensed milk kheer. Come on, friends. First of all, I have taken this is Amul milk. I have taken milk is the most important ingredient, and this is soaked this thing cashew and badam soaked for 1 hour. भिगो कर रखा है काजू और बादाम, and this is for garnishing काजू and badam and little kismis and केसर hot milk में मैं भिगो कर रखा है. And this is custard powder. It is completely optional. And this is ghee, and this is thoda green elaichi, and I am using elaichi powder also. Elaichi powder also is there, and sugar and chawal भिगो कर रखा है. This is raw rice. I have soaked for 20 minutes. 20 minutes back I have soaked. And if you use raw rice, it's very good. It will cook soon and it will give a creamy texture. This is a secret. Where if you use instead of basmati rice, if you use this raw rice, small rice, it is very good for cooking. It will cook soon. Jaldi pakte hai, or it gives a creamy texture. So first of all, let us start the recipe. And switching on the gas and switching on the gas, and I am adding milk. Little one secret is there. Before putting the milk, you have to put little water, not much, little water. Then I am adding this milk. एक उबाल आने को रखा है. So we should get this milk one boil. I kept this milk for boil, and by that time let us grind this भिगो कर रखा है भिगो कर rice and this kaju and badam we have soaked. We have to blend it into smooth paste. I'm adding this badam and this thing, and I am grinding. थोड़ा दरदरा पीसना है. This is a thickening agent. I'm adding this. I'm grinding this soaked chawal, kaju, and badam. And I forgot to tell, आज का मेन रेसिपी का डिश का जान है मिल्क मेड. अमूल का मिल्क मेड. It's a very tasty. It gives a creamy texture and it is very tasty. So I am using this Amul milk maid. I am using this Amul milk maid. देखो फ्रेंड थोड़ा दरदरा पीसा है. Still more this kaju and badam should be grinded. इधर आएगा ध्यान देंगे और फिर खेड़ी दे we want this milk for one boil is needed. एक उबाल होना है. So let us wait for this milk. Till that time, let us fry this kaju and for garnishing. एक उबाला start हुआ है. 1 minute afterwards let us fry. अभी उबाल आने का start हुआ. So उबाल आने का समय we have to add this thickening agent, as this is rice and this thing badam and kaju. We have to scrap this. So we are seeing milk is boiling, milk started boiling. So I am adding this rice. हम दरदरा पीसा है the rice. It should be cooked. Now it should be cooked. थोड़ा हिलाते हैं लेकिन चिपकते हैं बॉटम से. So गैस धीमी कर we have to still more is there I am adding. So this should be cooked with the milk. It should get mixed with the milk and it should cook well. You need this rice to be cooked. ये थिकनिंग एजेंट है. ये गाढ़ा बना को हेल्प करते हैं. थोड़ा वाटर ऐड करते हैं. So we should not leave the end or else it will go and stick to the bottom. Is that why I have added little water. That is the secret. Anything before adding milk we have to put water. So we should keep stirring like this. If you leave your hand it will stick to the bottom. So this should be mixed and cooked with the rice should be cooked with the mix well. This rice started mixing and cooking with the milk. एक good flavor आया है हमारा किचन में. Good flavor start हुआ. You should not leave the hand, लेकिन चिपकती है बॉटम से. So it should cook well and it should cook well and we need boil. The raw smell of the rice should go. Look, smell, it has started boiling. So rice should be cooked well because little raw smell will be there. Look, थोड़ा गाढ़ी हुआ हमारा खीर, गाढ़ी होने का स्टार्ट हुआ. It is becoming thick. That is why we added that rice and kaju and badam. All those three are thickening agents. गाढ़ा बना का स्टार्ट हुआ. मैं यह समय में थोड़ा दिस इज केसर का दागे मैं हॉट मिल्क से भिगो कर रखा है. आई एम एडिंग दिस. केसर ऐड करते, केसर का दूध ऐड करा है. थोड़ा कलर चेंज होती है, लाइट पीले कलर होती है. देखो फ्रेंड्स कितना गाढ़ा हुआ हमारा खीर. This is custard powder. If you want, you can add, or else you can skip, because this is enough. Just I had kept that all. This is enough. As this name itself is indicating as condensed milk here. So let us not use this custard powder. If you want, you can use, but not needed. So now I am adding this condensed milk. देखो friends, Amul का condensed milk है. This is very tasty. It enhances taste of the kheer very much. कितना गाढ़ा एंड कितना क्रीमी टेक्सचर हुआ हमारा खीर. कितना बढ़िया है देखने को. देखो फ्रेंड्स हमारा खीर. गैस धीमी कर रखा है. Anything sweet if you do, you please keep the gas flame low. I am adding this kesar ka milk and little bit kesar also I am adding, and I am adding still more condensed milk. And for this I think just sugar I have kept. If you want chini you can add, or else you can skip. You can skip this. You can skip the sugar. I am adding little. I am adding little sugar friends, because sugar is not needed as we have added condensed milk. If you want, sugar is just for texture and a little bit sweetness, that's all. I have added just half spoon sugar, that's all. If you want zyada ya kam, you can do according to your thing. And I have not added much sugar as I have used much condensed milk. So I am not using this sugar. And lastly, this is the Indian traditional touch. I am adding thoda the elaichi ka powder, and I'm adding this elaichi, also green elaichi. I'm just splitting and adding like this. It gives more. It will enhance the taste. Elaichi powder, if you want, you can put, but I think this suits, so I am putting. देखो फ्रेंड्स कितना गाढ़ा हुआ हमारा खीर. अमूल मिल्क मेड से बनाया है. अमूल, it has, as every time I tell, it has maintained its quality, and that is why its name is, it is the most deserved name for Amul. Amul means Amulya. It is derived from the word, every time I tell, which means priceless. We can't price the value of Amul. It has maintained its quality and standard. Okay, and once more I am adding thoda kesar ka dage. I am adding just for this thing, garnishing and pleasing look. I am adding thoda kesar ka dage. If you want, you can put, or you can skip. Now I am seasoning. I am seasoning. I am adding ghee. I am adding ghee for seasoning. Not 2 spoons. This is 1 spoon. It's enough. And I putting cashew, काजू, बादाम और किशमिश। देखो फ्रेंड्स कितना गाढ़ा हुआ हमारा खीर, कितना बढ़िया है, मुंह में पानी आती है। माई माउथ इज वाटरिंग। प्लीज ट्राई दिस रेसिपी। बनाने का बहुत आसान है, बहुत इजी है, बहुत टेस्टी है। That too we are using this Amul milk, Amul this thing condensed milk. Still more this dish becomes tasty. We need this to be golden brown color, so I am doing it sim only because this kadai is little bit thin. It is very easy. देखो friends, it's very easy. We have made within 15 minutes this kheer is ready. Now festival seasons are coming. Now all the festivals are started. So our dish is ready and I am plating it. I am dishing out. थोड़ा let us wait for one, almost 90% is enough. 90% is over. हमारा खीर अभी फेस्टिवल का सीजन स्टार्ट होती है, so you can try this खीर. Usually we'll do that साबूदाना का खीर and साबूदाना सेमिया and रवा. So let us do this. Let us at least once you do. If you do once, you'll keep doing this. बार बार बनाता है वो, एक बार टेस्ट करने को। कितना बढ़िया है हमारा खीर, देखने को कितना बढ़िया है, कलरफुल है। Okay, it's almost cooked. 100% is cooked, and now I am dishing it out. I'm dishing it out. We are not added any sugar, just only half spoon I've added sugar, that's all. And if you want, you can add, I think Milkmaid, in Milkmaid only much sweetness will be there. So I'm garnishing it with, if you ठंडा होने के बाद if you use, it will become still more गाढ़ा, it will be still more thick. You can have this cold also or have this hotter also. You can serve and have anyway, but if you keep it in fridge, still more गाढ़ा it will become. देखो फ्रेंड्स कितना बढ़िया है। कितना बढ़िया है, देखो फ्रेंड्स हमारा अमूल कंडेंस्ड मिल्क का खीर। देखो फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज ट्राई दिस रेसिपी एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई सेशन एंड थैंक यू अमूल, थैंक यू, नमस्कार।